Today we're going to take a look at a confusing pair of words. Why are they confusing? Well, for one, it's English. And two, they look very similar, can sound very similar when you hear them, but they're oh so different. So come on. Our first word is P-U-R-P-O-S-E. We pronounce it purpose, purpose, purpose. Emphasis on the first syllable, purpose. What's purpose? Great question. Purpose is the reason for doing something. What's the purpose behind this idea? What's the purpose behind this video? Oh, the purpose of this video is to teach you the difference between purpose and propose. Oh, yeah, I propose. We learn what propose is about. What, Sarah? Okay, propose is pronounced P-R-O-P-O-S-E, propose, emphasis on the second syllable, and propose means to put forward or to suggest. But if you propose to someone, say like, I'm going to propose to my boyfriend tonight, that means you're going to ask for their hand in marriage. Yeah, I guess some women propose, men propose, women can propose. Propose, to ask for a hand in marriage. But propose can also mean to put forward or to suggest. For example, I propose we do more videos on pronunciation. I suggest, or I put forward the idea that we do more videos on pronunciation. I propose we do more videos on tricky words. Oh, I put forward the suggestion that we do more videos on tricky words. I propose that our purpose, our reason for doing these videos should be both pronunciation and both for confusing words. Ah, great. Now I know the purpose, the reason behind this video. I propose, if you're still confused, you rewind and you watch it again. Why does English have so many words that are oh so close in looks, sound, and so different in meaning? I don't know. I think they do it on purpose. But now you can read and pronounce this sentence, I hope. Bill's purpose for the dinner was he wanted to propose to Jane. What? Yeah, you try it. Take a look at it. Bill's purpose for the dinner was he wanted to propose to Jane. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with purpose or propose? I propose you do. And leave it in the comments. Do it. Do it on purpose. Got it? Have a great day, friends. Peace.